Have you been finding more hair on your pillow or noticing extra strands clogging your shower drain? Or maybe you're starting to see your hairline slowly inching back. Generally, it's normal to lose around 100 hairs a day, since most of us have about 150,000 strands to start with. However, losing hair at a young age can impact not just your looks, but also your confidence and mental health. Excessive hair loss can become a big concern if ignored. There are several reasons you might be shedding more hair than usual. Stress, genetics, medical conditions, hair treatments, or using products that aren't right for your hair type. Let's dive into 10 natural remedies to help you regrow your hair and keep it healthy. Number 1. Onion juice. This one might sound unusual, but trust me, onion juice is a powerful remedy for promoting hair growth. Onions are packed with sulfur, which is essential for nourishing your hair follicles. Recent research has shown that applying onion juice to the scalp can actually stimulate hair regrowth. Number 2. Lower your stress levels. When you're stressed, a lot of your hair follicles can enter a resting phase, causing hair to fall out after some time. Intense stress can also trigger an immune response that attacks your hair follicles, leading to further hair loss. So, you must manage stress by incorporating meditation, deep breathing, and regular physical activity into your routine. By reducing stress, you can greatly reduce hair loss. Number 3. Coconut milk. While coconut oil gets a lot of praise, coconut milk might be even better for your hair. It's natural and rich in vitamins like niacin and folate, which enhance blood circulation in your scalp. Coconut milk also contains vitamin E and healthy fats that condition your hair. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs might not smell great, but they're packed with proteins, minerals, and B-complex vitamins that can benefit your hair. They help reduce hair loss and strengthen your roots while encouraging new hair growth. Whisk a couple of eggs with olive oil, apply the mixture to your hair, and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing with cool water. Remember, avoid using hot water as it can cook the egg, making it tough to wash out. Number 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just great for your skin, it can work wonders for your hair too. It contains enzymes that naturally stimulate hair growth and is effective against dandruff. Number 6. Amla. Indian gooseberry, also known as amla, is a powerful natural remedy for hair health. It's loaded with essential fatty acids that strengthen hair follicles and prevent breakage. Amla also contains antioxidants that improve blood circulation in your scalp. Number 7. Scalp massage. A simple yet effective way to promote hair regrowth is by giving yourself a good scalp massage. Any kind of movement on your scalp helps stimulate blood flow, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. Studies have shown that a daily 4-minute scalp massage can improve hair growth. If your hair is fine or thin, be gentle. You can also use oils like coconut, almond, or sesame during your massage. Number 8. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has been a go-to solution for hair and scalp issues for ages. It's rich in nutrients like vitamin C and folic acid, make it a potent natural remedy for hair growth. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar isn't just good for cooking, it's great for your hair too. It helps balance your scalp's pH levels and prevents bacterial growth. To use, wash your hair with shampoo, then mix apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a final rinse. Incorporate this into your hair washing routine to see results. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic may not be the first thing that comes to mind for hair care, but it's actually packed with benefits. Raw garlic is rich in vitamins B6 and C, manganese, and selenium, all crucial for maintaining healthy hair. It also has antimicrobial properties that help eliminate bacteria and promote hair growth. Are you struggling with hair loss too? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay connected with Healthy Habits Journey for more tips and tricks on your path to a healthier lifestyle.